Hello friends, today in this video we are going to discuss the most important cue card for your IELTS speaking, and the topic is talk about an activity you do to concentrate in work or study, right? So the follow-up questions are: what do you do, how often you do it, and how do you feel about it? So whenever we start with the cue card, we always start with a brief introduction that must be related to the topic only. So the topic here we have related to concentration. So we'll start accordingly. Concentration is the prime requirement for effective learning. This is something which we have stated for concentration is the prime requirement for effective learning. However, in the era of technological gadgets, it has become next to impossible to concentrate. Next to impossible means it has become very difficult task. People cannot focus on everything very easily, right? So this is very difficult to concentrate since notifications from social media sites always deviate our attention from work or study, right? So we need to give the reason that why it is very difficult to concentrate, because we keep on getting notifications from social media sites. Sometime my phone rings for WhatsApp message, then at other time it can be Facebook notification. So people cannot focus on their work or studies, right? So I would like to talk about today, I would like to talk about meditation. So meditation is an activity which I do to focus, or which I do to improve my concentration. Now I need to talk more about it. I use meditation, or I basically do not use but I meditate every day to improve my concentration. And last year what actually happened is my academic performance kept on deteriorating. Deteriorating means decreasing, cascading, went downwards. Okay, it means actually I wasn't performing good in my studies last year, and that too again with each passing day. Day by day it is getting worse. Why it was happening? Because I had a huge friend circle, including some of virtual friends. Virtual friends are the friends that we make online. It can be like Facebook friends. We do not see them on the regular basis. We might do not know them, but still we are friends. So these are virtual friends. So since I had a lot of friends, they kept on, they always kept me busy in talking and other things, and it was difficult for me to focus on the subject area. So that was a lot of chatting on WhatsApp and Facebook, and it seemed tempting. Tempting means something that really attracts you, right? So even started chatting and texting, leaving my study books aside. If I saw any message on screen, as soon as the message appears on the screen, what I used to do, I kept all of my study book aside, took my mobile phone and started chatting with my friends. Then later on I realized that I need something. Why? I need something to improve my concentration. Then I started meditation, since I heard about it a lot from so many resources, might be from my friends also, and I read it in the newspaper. Initially I faced problems. I faced teething troubles. Teething troubles means problems faced in the initial period of something. So I thought to discontinue it. It's better to leave it initially. That was the thought in my mind. But after 2 weeks, I noticed tremendous improvement. Okay. So later on, I found that it's really working very nicely, and I'm improving like anything. The next is how often I do it. I basically practice it every day in the morning. I always start my day with meditation, that too again for 15 to 20 minutes only. But when I find I'm very busy among my studies, or I'm having examinations on hand, so what I do is I meditate twice a day. I needed another dose of meditation. Then now it has become an inseparable part of my life. Inseparable. Nobody can separate meditation from my daily routine. How do I feel it? I feel, or I have unswerving concentration. Unswerving means it's not possible for anybody to deviate me from my work. This is unswerving. I felt a great peace of mind, and in fact the notifications on my mobile put no effect these days. I can focus in my work, my studies for quite a long time, and I have improved a lot in my studies. Finally, I would only like to say that everyone should meditate. Since it is a free activity, you need not pay anything for that, but at the same time it offers priceless benefits. Priceless means something which has something like this has a lot of value. Okay, so these benefits you get. So I hope that this topic is clear to you now, and you can speak on the topic very confidently with very advanced vocabulary words in your final exam, right? So you can stay tuned, because I'm making a lot of videos these days for the latest speaking topic list that has already been updated. Okay, so you can just subscribe to our channel for more videos, and you can get the jumbo cue cards there. Jumbo cue cards means I have prepared one single answer for around 15 cue cards. Okay, so keep learning. All the best.